I believe that there's a spiritual revolution happening in this world, and I believe that the plants are calling the spiritual warriors to come and prepare ourselves to heal others by bringing them to the plants and healing ourselves.
First time I heard about ayahuasca was maybe close to 8 years ago. About the same time I started using methamphetamine, which has been clouding my life for all that time. I've tried rehab before, it didn't work. I mean, I relapsed straight away after 3 days. But I just knew there was something, when I began to studying ayahuasca and this ancient medicine, I knew there was something pleasant about it. And I mean, at the start I was a bit sketchy. I was thinking, is this going to work? But I mean, when I got here, it was close to the third ceremony, I was pretty much cured. It's hard for me to believe, but after 9 years, I'm no longer an addict. I don't have cravings, and this is something that the world needs to see.
You know, we did peyote under the stars, and the shaman stood in front of the fire and looked up at the sky, exploding with meteorites. And he told us about that being a sign that darkness had just evaporated.
The universe was definitely calling out to me to come here and connect very deeply.
Push yourself to come because it's going to bring up a lot, but it's stuff that you want to bring up and you want to process, and it's important and necessary to process for peace with yourself.
If you're interested, for sure do it, because that means something.
I recommend it to any and all people. It's a wonderful experience, the most beautiful environment you could imagine in the Yucatan jungle. I hope to come back very soon.
There's somebody out there right now who's being called. There's somebody out there right now who's depressed, and they're going to see this, and they're going to say, I'm going to try it.
Peyote.